Oh, bully him. I just don't want to, you know, come out bloody me with it. Oh, try it, John. Try it. That's why I made me laugh. And they just, and then you get like, just, look what I'm coming today, you know. Oh look, it's taking away. That is such a better method.
Ooh!
Like on double marrow.
Ooh!
Yeah, you know what? Your way of looking. Like a clever. He ain't done yet, is he? He's double job. He's a good 9 3/4.
Oh, you want me to give you the
Pliers. Pliers or... No, do you know... No, oh, sorry.
Ooh. Come on, this is on camera.
You wear something that thing. Yeah. 13 and a half here. Grams. How many grams? Here's double. He's 25. He's 10 and a half. 10 and a half. 10 and a half. He's a proper 10 and a half.
Would you like me to take a photograph, Ian?
Yeah. Oh! We can trip over it when John needs. Yeah. Miles away. This is that fish. You know the anchor yet?
Did you finish your cup of coffee, John?
It was bigger than your little brother's family record. Oh, I thought you meant any bigger than my little brother when we called a while ago. I thought probably. Laying right side on the side.
Don't fall over.
It's under the anchor. Tell me if you think you're going to want these other lines at any point. No, he's staying this side of the road. If you want Caroline's line in or something, let me know. Nice fish. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing like that? There you go.
Ooh, he's a nice size. Hello.